Search and SERPs. This is our first class. After the class, we're going to have about a half-hour Q&A. We can talk about it. We're also going to go into the search engine results pages and take a look around. Search and SERPs. I will explain what SERPs are when we get there. We are all SEO people already. You might not think that or know that, but every day you use Google. You already know what you're doing because you can see your own actions. So know that the beginning of it all starts on the search engine when you start typing into Google. Okay, so every class we're going to meet, there's a lot of language you're going to learn, and we're going to go over some key terms every week. So we all know what a search engine is, right? It's the tool we use to find and interact with content available on the internet. And most of us use Chrome. For these classes, we are going to be using Chrome because it's got a lot of extensions that we use for SEO, which makes SEO way more fun. So SEM, when I started working online, SEM, the term gets confusing because some people associate the search engine marketing, the actually SEM, with paid ads. Search engine marketing is actually all of what happens on Google or a search engine, right? So it's the ads plus the SEO. And so sometimes search engine marketing is interchanged with paid marketing. Now, that could be because some people consider SEO a paid service and Google Ads a paid service, right? Then we have search engine optimization, sometimes called natural listing, sometimes called SEO, sometimes called organic. It is basically what we use when we're doing SEO. So it's sites appear in the index because of what we've typed in. What shows up is affected by the algorithm, which we'll get into next, right? So we're going to go into what Google does a little bit later on and why. An algorithm is like a set of rules where we rank websites, and that's why people do things like keyword research. So SEOs generally try to work with the algorithm to get their clients to show up at the top of Google, because if you hit the top 3 results in Google, it can change a business, right? So algorithms are things that all search engines, including all social media, they put in place to either battle bad players or to create their secret sauce, right? I don't know if you've ever tried to search on Facebook, but it's not as good as searching on Google, right?